I hate my website like a lot. Well, I don't hate it, I don't actually like it, so I think it's time to give it a little glow up. This is what I've been working with. It's currently a little bit updated. It's still broken like in those parts, but now I need hero page illustration. So this is what are we going to work today. I am really excited because I really wanted to add something special, something like me to my website, and I really didn't know what, but then I got that idea. And I think it is kind of cool. Like the first thing you see is a hero page. I've already done some thumbnail ideas, and today I just wanted to refine the sketch as well as color it. I also done like some color thumbnails just to see what version do I like more, and I actually tried those both out on my website, but I think I like the position of me on this thumbnail. However, I do like the background colors more to be like here, so perhaps I will be just doing two different background versions. The main idea was for me to be as a front character and to have like different sketches and letters flying around, like something about my creativity. But on this hand, I really like my bow, and I already done my profile picture showing my bow from the front, so I think it's kind of a good idea to have it a little bit from the side. I will still have like a pencil and doing my magic with a hand, and like all the letters are flying around because I'm all about the magic. And while I did all of my thumbnails and sketches on my iPad, I am going to work on my Cintiq today in Photoshop just because I feel like it. And I really like a big screen. But the next illustration will be on my iPad, I promise. Fingers crossed. So I will do the sketch, the clean sketch, and then we will try in just uploading to my website to see whether it works or not. Just from the composition, as well as I had screenshot the hero like page from my website just to see where my text is and well all of my buttons are. If I turn on my sketch, you can see it's not quite right, so it is good just to have this to check where everything goes. So I already finished the rough sketch, and now I will go ahead and clean it a little bit. It feels like it doesn't have enough details, but I will trust the process and hope when I add the color and elements it will be like more me. Also, it's a hero page and there will be text on top of it, so I think it is kind of a good that it is still a little bit simple and not way too detailed. I uploaded the sketch onto my website and it actually doesn't look that bad. I kind of like it. Of course, all of the elements must be a little bit more to the right side, but overall, it looks great. Good morning! So it's the next day. I didn't finish the piece yesterday because I had some work to do, but today hopefully is the day when I do finish it. I have like about 3 hours or 2 hours to do so. So let's jump right in and hopefully it will be finished today. I'm kind of already happy with how it looks. However, I don't like my face expression. I don't like the eyes. It looks a bit strange and sad. I don't know. I don't like it, so I will be trying to improve that. Also, I have like one idea where I think I will be trying to add my actual illustrations to the papers flying around. I think it can be really cool. However, I don't know if it will be too dark for it. So I think I will just try it out and see. I'm kind of loving the vibe with my illustrations on the paper sheets. I think it gives like more character to my illustration. I will add 1 or 2 more, perhaps one here and one in here, and the smaller ones on the background I will just like add a little bit of the color, imitating kind of my illustrations. And now off to my favorite part, blurring things. We're going to filter, blur and motion blur because our illustrations are flying around. I am pretty happy with how it turned out. It kind of is a bit different than I thought because I actually added this magical light around, like this line. I don't know why, but I kind of felt it needed it because I wasn't sure that it will be clear that I'm casting magic with my hand. And now we have like the line that we can follow and see all of the illustrations. So I found it kind of cool and also added a little bit more light and color to the illustration. And now I will go on and just upload it to my website and see whether it works or not, but it is what it is. I also thought that I will be doing 2 different background colors, but I kind of fell in love with this option. I also made it like more saturated, so I'm really happy with the final result, and I don't think I need like a second option or so. Ta-da! What do you think? I don't know, but I think I kind of need another text color for here because it's way too white and hard to read. The height is too big. I think I need to make it smaller, but I kind of like the colors. In here I will need to change to black because you can actually read the menu. I am happy with it. What do you think? I'm so excited because I wanted to change my website for so long, and finally I have this hero page illustration. I kind of really like it. It is better than I expected. I really love the colors, and I think it looks good with my profile picture together. And I think now I can also change like my YouTube illustration up there, like the panel illustration, when you go to the home page. Let me know in the comments what do you think about my new hero page. I can literally wait to finish my website and share it with you. But let me know in the comments what do you think about it, what should I illustrate next, recreate next, or what kind of videos would you like to see. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye!